Hello everyone, today we'll be discussing about Google Knowledge Graph and how to implement that with the help of an API. So before getting into this further, so let us first understand what exactly is a Google Knowledge Graph. Now, Google Knowledge Graph is nothing but a rich visualization and a context in a search snippets which can give very rich information about a particular entity. Now that entity can be a person, can be a brand, can be a thing, can be also a material or something like that. So what Google does is basically Google fetches all best possible information about that particular entity, and that visualizes in the form of an extended rich snippet by embedding a lot of information in a single page. That is what known as a Google Knowledge Graph. So sounds interesting, right? So today let us understand how one can try to get a knowledge graph by the help of an API. So let's find out. So first of all, you need to go to Google Cloud Platform and then select a project. Then you need to create a new project. You can name any of the project you would like to. You need to click on create and then head back to the APIs and the services segment, and then click on credentials, click on create credentials, click on service account. You can put your desired informations, you can verify your ownership, click on continue, done. That's it. You would be getting an email which is a property of Google account, and you need to store that for your future use. Now head back over to the keys section, because this is the important area where you would be generating your application interface key or the API key. So just click on add key, create a new key. JSON would be my recommendation to avoid any lossless data during future migration. And yes, as you can see from the screen, there you have your active API. So now head back over to the APIs and services. Once again, click on library, search knowledge graph API. This is how the API would look like. Just click on enable. Bingo. So your knowledge graph API is done. Okay, so by following these steps, you can enable and Google Knowledge Graph API about your business. So Google or the database of Google would get a trigger that your business might need a Google Knowledge Graph, and Google can start fetching all sorts of relevant information about your business or regarding your any of the materialistic information found across the corpus, which is the thousands and thousands of layers of the information all around the web. And then you can get a Google Knowledge Graph provided you comply to some of the policies. Like you definitely need to have some authoritative sources of information. I hope you will love this video. Thanks for watching.